Yeah, that's it. Okay, come on now. Keep that thing under wraps. It works.
I am a fan in my heart, and I think that one of the best things about fandom is to be able to pass your fandom on to your children and to share the things that you love with your children. And that's something that I've gotten to do personally, and it's something that if you come to this ride, even if you're like me, you're old school and you grew up on Jurassic Park, you can take your kids and take them to this and have that experience and share that memory with them, which I think is pretty cool.
What's so fun about this is that you really do feel like you're a part of the movie, and so going through the ride, it's like, oh, okay, the first part of it, you're like, oh my gosh, it's like I'm in Jurassic World, and then, uh-oh, there's an emergency, because that tends to happen in Jurassic World.
You wait in line, and there's a great narrative that we shot, so like all these like funny kind of video pieces. Then you get on the ride, you got all the similar animatronics as the original ride, and then you know, it gets dangerous, and once it goes dark and gets dangerous, it's actually pretty freaky. And then the drop at the end will actually like really smoke you. You'll get super wet, and it's a great ride. It's the best ride here, I think.
All right. Yeah, she recognizes somebody up there.
So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Jurassic World.
This concludes your tranquil journey through the world of the dinosaurs. Please join us again soon on your next visit to Universal Studios Hollywood.